this could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
How are you feeling, Ibar?
So good. I can't even explain the feelings and the vibes that we're getting here. You know, yesterday we went on a boat tour and it was amazing. And today we're here at Maramagmag Beach and our friends just ziplined down. I mean, who does that?
So we're now in Siargao in the Philippines. And we've got and Carly on the floor. Does anyone want to say what we're doing tomorrow?
Carly.
We're going on a boat cruise!
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Should be a lot of fun. And we're also having lunch on the boat, which is what we had done in El Nido too. So,
And drinks.
and drinks. Oh yeah, that will be different.
This one provides
This one will have drinks.
alcohol.
We'll see you on the boat.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had so much fun making it, so many good memories. And stick around if you want to see some funny bloopers. Bye!
Ha 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 ha!